ওম কৃষ্ণায় বাসুদেবায় দেবকীনন্দনায় চ প্রণতঃ ক্লেশনাশায় গোবিন্দায় নমো নমঃ। হে কৃষ্ণ করুণা সিন্ধু দীনবন্ধু জগৎপতে গোপেশ গোপিকাকান্ত রাধাকান্ত নমস্তুতে। This is Chaitanya Doba temple in Halishahar. This is also known as Sripada Ishwarpuri Sripat Mahatirtha. In past, Halishahar was known as Kumarhatta. Once, Sripada Ishwarpuri lived here. He was the religious guide of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sripada Ishwarpuri was also religious follower of Srila Madhavendra Puri. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here several times to meet with his Gurudev. After the death of his Gurudev, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here with his religious follower while on his pilgrimage tour. He and his religious companions collected some holy soil in the memory of his Gurudev. Afterwards, local and other peoples from neighboring villages took the holy soil from here. By this way, a pit was formed. That pit was full of water in course of time. Thus, this Chaitanya Doba was formed. Srivas Pandit, the religious companion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, was also lived in Kumarhatta. This Srivasangan stands in his memory.